Say goodbye to the hours spent searching for leads and gathering information about businesses and companies through Google Maps manually. The new lead extractor is here to revolutionize your search. With a single click, the new lead extractor swiftly gathers all the essential data you need from Google Maps, streamlining your lead generation process and making it more efficient than ever. Contact details, customer reviews, and other valuable information that are all at your fingertip with the new lead extractor, saving you precious time and efforts. Forget about recurring fees. The new lead extractor offers a one-time payment subscription, guaranteed lifetime access, and it's simply amazing. User-friendly and easy to navigate, the new lead extractor has the power to boost your business. Don't let this game-changing lead generation software pass you by. Get your hands on the new lead extractor today and grow your business. But wait, there's more. The new lead generation goes beyond expectations by offering additional features that takes your lead generation to the next level. Click the link below and discover.